Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Let's learn some short English sentences. क्या करूँ? What to do? मैं मजबूर हूँ. I am helpless. I am helpless. मैं कसम खाता हूँ. I swear. I swear. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? दही खट्टा है. Curd. The curd is sour. The curd is sour. धीरज रखो. Have patience. Have patience. बहाना मत बनाओ. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. उसके पास कुछ नहीं है. He has nothing. और he does not have anything. Next sentence. आप बड़े मजाकिया हैं. You are a jolly fellow. You are a jolly fellow. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. कहने और करने में बहुत अंतर है. Saying and doing are two different things. Saying and doing are two different things. जैसे आपकी मर्जी. As your wish. As your wish. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. मुझे दिखाओ. Show me. Show me. वे हमारे शुभ चिंतक हैं. They are our well wishers. They are our well wishers. फूल मत तोड़ो. Don't pluck the flower. Don't pluck the flower. रिश्ते खूबसूरत होते हैं. Relations are beautiful. Relations are beautiful. जबान पर लगाम दो. Mind your language. Mind your language. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Keep watching. If you like the video, then like, share and subscribe.